Hi students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss about the topic acidity of alcohols and phenols. Alcohols and phenols are acidic in nature. First of all, I will give some evidence for the acidic character of alcohols and phenols. Okay, phenol react with NaOH, form sodium phenoxide and water. How the product is forming? H from phenol, OH from NaOH combined to form water. Okay, then byproduct is water. What is NaOH? Base. Sodium phenoxide is salt. Okay, so phenol plus base to form salt and water. So it's just like a neutralization reaction. Okay, so what about the nature of phenol? For getting these two product, what should be the nature of phenol? Phenol should an acid. Okay, normally acid combined with the base to form salt and water. So NaOH is base, then phenol is what? Phenol is acid. Clear? So this reaction suggests that phenol is acidic in nature. I will give one more supporting evidence for understanding the acidic nature of phenol. Instead of NaOH, write sodium. Okay, instead of NaOH, write sodium. Product is again sodium phenoxide, but the byproduct is instead of H2O, H2, hydrogen. Okay, H, hydrogen is the byproduct. So how many phenol molecules? 2H, H2. Then 2Na, 2 sodium phenoxide. Sodium is a metal. Okay, sodium is a metal. Sodium phenoxide is salt, H2 hydrogen. Which chemical substance combined with the metal form salt and hydrogen? Salt and hydrogen. Which chemical substance normally combine with the metal to form salt and hydrogen? Yes, acid. Acid plus metals gives salt and hydrogen. For example, take HCl acid, HCl. Metal sodium. What is the product? NaCl. NaCl is salt plus hydrogen. Okay, 2HCl, 2Na, 2NaCl. So HCl is acid, Na is metal, then salt plus hydrogen. So here also same like reaction. So can you predict the nature of phenol? For getting this product, what should be the nature of phenol? Phenol should acid. Okay, so these two reactions suggest the acidic nature of phenol. Phenol is considered as a Bronsted acid. Why phenol is a Bronsted acid? Because it can donate proton. Okay, it can donate proton. Phenol can donate proton. So it is a Bronsted acid. What is Bronsted acid? Any chemical substance which donate proton are called a Bronsted acid. Okay, phenol also donate proton. So phenol is a Bronsted acid. Now I will give you some examples related to acidic nature of alcohol. Okay, take a general alcohol, ROH. When ROH combined with the Na, sodium metal, the product is RONA, sodium alkoxide. Okay, O minus Na plus. Sodium alkoxide is a salt. Byproduct is hydrogen. So can you predict the nature of ROH? For getting this product, what should be the nature of ROH? Yes, ROH is a alcohol is an acid. Clear? Acid plus metal gives salt and hydrogen. Okay, so just like phenol, alcohols are also acidic. Okay, one example is ethanol, CH3 CH2OH. Ethanol is also acidic. Okay, when it reacts with the sodium metal forms salt and hydrogen. What is salt? CH3 CH2ONA. Sodium ethoxide plus H2. Okay, H2, CH3 CH2ONA, then H2. So two molecules will react, H2. Now I will give the reason behind the acidic character of alcohol. Let's take one example. Ethanol, CH3 CH2OH. O have two lone pairs. O is highly electronegative. Okay, highly electronegative. So what happened? The shared pair of electrons between an oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, the shared pair of electron between oxygen and hydrogen will attract to oxygen. Then oxygen become del negative and hydrogen become del positive. Okay, now these two electrons are near to oxygen. H is free from electron. At this situation, when you add a base like NaOH, what will happen? OH minus present in the base will accept the proton. Okay, then ethanol will release the proton to the base. So substance which donate proton to the base is called acid. Okay, so this is the reason behind the acidic character of alcohol. What is the reason? The electron negativity difference, and this nature is called polar nature. Okay, so polar nature of OH bond in alcohol is responsible for the acidic character. Okay, what do you mean by polar nature? Polar nature is formed due to the electronegativity difference. Okay, due to the electronegativity difference, a charge separation will form between two atoms, and that nature is called a polar nature. Did you get it? Here you can see two type of alcohol. Which type of alcohol is this one? Primary alcohol. Very good, because OH is connected with the primary carbon. Here OH is connected with the tertiary carbon, so the alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Okay, and the question is, out of primary and tertiary, which alcohol is more acidic? Okay, or out of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, which alcohol is more acidic? The answer is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is more acidic compared to secondary and tertiary. Tertiary is least acidic. Okay, and I will give you the explanation. Listen. In tertiary alcohol, there are 3 electron releasing groups are present. Okay, electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups. How many electron releasing groups? 3 methyl. Okay, all are electron releasing groups. So this electron releasing group will increase the electron density above oxygen. Okay, electron density will increase. So oxygen become high electron dense element. So what will happen? The shared pair of electron will not attract to oxygen. It become difficult because already the oxygen is electron dense. Okay, already oxygen is electron dense due to the presence of electron releasing group. So the electron dense oxygen and the electron from hydrogen or oxygen bond will repel. Okay, the shared pair of electron and the electron density present on oxygen will repel. So polar nature of this compound will decrease. Okay, polar nature decrease. Okay, so when you add a base NaOH, this compound will face difficulty to remove this proton. Why? Because formation of proton is difficult here due to the electron density present on oxygen. The attraction will decrease. Okay, attraction of shared pair of electron towards oxygen will decrease. So polar nature will decrease. Then removal of proton become difficult. But in the case of primary alcohol, number of electron releasing group is less compared to tertiary. Okay, so electron density present on the oxygen is less. Then what happened? The electrons between oxygen and hydrogen can attracted to oxygen, and oxygen become del negative, hydrogen become del positive. So primary alcohol can easily donate proton. Okay, so it's very clear, out of primary, secondary and tertiary, primary alcohol is more acidic and it can easily lose proton. But tertiary, due to the high electron density present on oxygen, the polar nature will decrease and donation of proton become difficult. Okay. The next topic is acidity of phenol. Why phenol is acidic? What is the reason behind the acidic character of phenol? Let's draw the structure of phenol. Then in phenol, OH group is attached to this carbon. What is the hybridization of this carbon? Hybridization of this carbon is sp2 hybridization. Okay, this carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. Normally sp2 hybridized carbon is highly electronegative and act as an electron withdrawing group. Okay, so this carbon is highly electronegative, so it attracts the electron from oxygen and form double bond. Okay, and structure will come like this. OH, here one positive charge, double bond, this electron will shift on this carbon and become negative and double bond. Okay, then what is the next structure? This negative charge again undergo delocalization. Delocalization means movement. Okay, and the next structure will come like this. Again double bond OH plus here one lone pair. Okay, one lone pair is form double bond. Then here negative. So it continue like that. Then negative will move here and this paired electron will shift to this carbon and a total 5 resonating structure will form. Okay, these structures are called resonating structure. Okay, by looking this resonating structure, can you tell the reason behind acidic nature of phenol? Okay, can you tell the reason? Let's see here. Here the charge on oxygen is plus. Now oxygen is highly electronegative. Already you know that oxygen is highly electronegative, and one more thing, positive charge. So this electron can easily attract to the oxygen. Okay, oxygen can easily attract these electrons. So H become H plus. Then when you add a base can easily take this proton. So here two factors are responsible for acidic character of phenol. One is positive charge present on oxygen. Second reason is high electronegativity of oxygen. Now the next question is, out of alcohol and phenol, which one is more acidic? Clear? Alcohol and phenols are acidic, but out of these two, which one is more acidic? Phenol or alcohol? Okay, this answer I will explain in the next section. Okay, bye.